Hello everyone, welcome to this class. So we are talking about how we can analyze financial market. So far in our discussion, we have spoken about what is financial market and how financial market can be categorized into security market and money market. Although I have not spoken much about money market because that is more related to debt market. Here we are focusing more on equity segment. So when we talk about security market, which is a subcomponent of the financial market. Let me just draw this for you. So like financial market, you can divide into two parts. One can be money market. So money market basically deals with debt instrument which have maturity less than 1 year, like commercial paper, certificate of deposit, repo, reverse repo, okay, call notice money. So basically the segment of primary dealers who are regulated under RBI and FIMDA, Fixed Income Money Market and Derivative Association. They basically play a very important role in money market segment. It can be organized, it can be unorganized. While the next market is a security market. So far in my discussion in the class, I have focused more on securities market. So we have discussed about security market where I can divide security market under two parts. It can be primary market, okay, or it can be secondary market. So whenever any company, private company, if they're looking to do an IPO to raise money from the public, where if they raise money from more than 50 people, or if they target more than 10 crore rupees from market, automatically that issue become a public issue. And then once they raise money from the market, they become a public company. And since when a company become a public company, they have to follow public companies norms and regulation under Companies Act, or under the regulation of CB Act, or under the regulation of SCRA Act. So their roles and responsibility get differs, and then they start trading in the market. So, guys, when it comes to the stocks which are trading in the market, so they come under secondary market, and all the events in the secondary market are regulated by a very important body called SEBI. SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. So SEBI was formed under the SEBI Act of 1992. I believe you all have heard of Harshad Mehta's scam. So after that, the roles and responsibility of certain central regulatory body was felt, and then CB came in picture. So when we talk about CB, okay, so CB makes sure that all the public issues which would happens in the market, they follow appropriate norms and regulation. And once a company become a public company, they have to follow certain principles based on how in public companies under the Companies Act of 2003 should act. Okay, so I'm not here going to talk about the roles and responsibility of public company and all. Here we are discussing more about trading part. So in secondary market, we have two prominent exchanges. Okay, one is BSE, okay, and another one is NSE, where the stocks got listed in the market. Okay, so all public company, once they raise money from the IPO, then they have to list themselves on the stock exchanges. Talking about these stock exchanges, talking about how many companies are trading on these stock exchanges. If I talk about NSE, okay, if I talk about NSE, the website of NSE is nseindia.com. Okay, so imagine if I go to the NSE website, okay, you can see how many companies actually trading on National Stock Exchange. Okay, so coming here, so you can see around 2,497 stocks are trading in the market, out of which 1,380 stocks were in green. Green means they were bullish, they went up. Okay, and around 1,000 to 28 stocks are trading in red. Fine. If similarly, if I talk about BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, okay, so Bombay Stock Exchange, bseindia.com. If I go to Bombay Stock Exchange, okay, so you will find how many stocks are trading on Bombay Stock Exchange. So the number of stocks are more than the number of stocks which are trading on NSE, because BSE is very old exchange. It started in 1979. Okay, with an index value of 100 right now, when we are seeing Sensex, it is trading around 71,000 certain value. So you can understand how much the Sensex has actually traveled from 100 value to right now 71,000. So over the BSC, you can see around 3,899 stocks are trading. So if I see NSC around 2,497 stocks are trading, if I see BSC around 3,899 stocks are trading. Question comes like, guys, when you start trading in the market, question comes like today, maybe in morning 9 o'clock or 9:15, if I'm sitting in my with my system and I'm deciding like which stocks can I buy, okay, for today purpose, so possibly that I'm a swing trader or momentum trader, and my time horizon of investment is between 1 week to 10 days, and I'm recording this video on 28th January 2024. So all the data which I'll discuss here would be with respect to this date, with respect to the events which are happening on this date. Maybe the time when you would be recording, sorry, maybe the time when you would be watching this video, maybe that time things would have been changed till today value. So I hope you'll understand and you can correlate the events what I'm talking right now. So what you need to understand here, guys, that uh, when it comes to trading in the market, I'm not talking about investment. So investment we do for long term purpose. So then if you are looking for investment, you can pick any stocks on NSE 100 or NSE 50, doesn't matter. They will definitely give you very good return. But when it comes to trading purpose, you can be intraday trader, or you can be swing trader or positional trader. So that time your decision would be based on the time horizon of your investment. So if I'm talking about a time horizon where possibly 1 week, I have a time period of 1 week to 10 days of origin. So what I'll try to focus on those stocks or those sectors which are performing better at this time. Okay. So for this, what I will do, if I go to NSE website, okay, so here I can watch different indices, okay, which are trading on NSE. So you can see Nifty 50, one of the indices, then Nifty Next 50. If you add Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50, you'll get Nifty 100. Okay, you can see all different indices. You can see the return, how much return they have given. Okay, you can see these values. Then Nifty 500 is there, Nifty Mid Cap 100 is there, Nifty Mid Cap 50 is there. So if you add these two index, it will become Nifty Mid Cap 150. Then you have Nifty 200 like that. So a lot of indices are there. You can see which indices are doing better than other. So to have better data, what I'll do, I'll go to return profile. 1 minute. It will take a little bit time. I'll just go to return profile. And here I need to select a date. So since 26 January, there's no trading, and today is Saturday. So I'll select till Thursday. So it will give me the return in different indices till Thursday, like last 1 month return or last 6 month return, 3 month return, like that. For different indices, you can see for Nifty, last month return was around 0.06, while Nifty Next 50 has given around 4.5%. The Nifty 100, which is a sum of these two portfolio, has given actually 0.77. So because of the effect of Nifty 50 stocks, because Nifty 50 stocks in last 1 week, because of the performance, quarterly three result of banking or IT sectors were not up to the mark, because of which most probably banking sectors and IT sectors or media sector, they have fall very drastically down. So you can see this. So then, if I remember last 2 weeks, the return what we are giving by mid cap and small cap were very good. They more or less belongs to high beta stocks. But here, if you see today, their returns are not that much lucrative. Okay, so you can understand that possibly when you are doing investment, guys, so you have to create your own universe of certain stocks which you can track on day-to-day basis or on week-to-week basis to devise your portfolio horizon. So here, what I can do, I try to target stocks which belong to Nifty Next 50 to maybe Nifty 200. Okay, I'll not go below Nifty 200. Okay, I'll try to focus on stocks within Nifty 200. Okay, so Nifty 200 means I'm targeting large cap and mid cap stocks. If you want, you can go till Nifty 350, so where you have certain influence of small cap stocks also. So once you have an idea of which here, which stocks on the basis of market capitalization, how they are performing, because here the indices what you're seeing, they're basically based on market capitalization, large cap, mid cap, small cap stocks. Now what I can do, I can even see the performance sector wise. If I click on sectorial indices, 1 minute, and just hold for the moment because of net speed, it take consuming certain time. Now, if you see sector wise, Nifty IT has given 2.68%, banking minus 5.53. If you are considering for investment purpose, you can definitely buy banking stock right now. At this moment, I'm talking about, not the moment when you would be watching this video. I don't know when you will watch this video. So at this moment, if I have to suggest someone to buy stocks, I definitely will strongly will suggest to buy ICICI Bank or Indus India Bank or Karur Vaishya Bank or Canara Bank or Allahabad Bank. Again today, Yes Bank third quarterly result has came, and that is actually very good. So their performance, their NII, net interest income, everything was appropriately well. So you can definitely go for Yes Bank or Dena Bank. Again, HDFC Bank is crashing like hell. So you can buy HDFC Bank stocks possibly if you're getting around 1300, because right now everyone is expecting its support to be around 1300. Anyway, today it is trading somewhere in 1400. So this, I believe, it will fall further. So maybe within this week more clarity would come on HDFC. I'm not suggesting that stock right now to anyone. So IT stocks, you can see 2.68, right? I'll not suggest to go bullish on IT right now. Maybe if you have a trading horizon of 1 week, okay, so you can focus on reality stocks or pharma, okay, or FMCG. If you want to just do beta hedging, okay, media you can buy for investment purpose. Auto you can buy auto because the budget is coming on next week. So auto FMCG would give you good return. Okay, so here reality is there, pharma is there, healthcare is there. Okay, so there you can think about investment, not investment trading. Okay, healthcare is there. Okay, so then mid-cap healthcare. So mid-cap, I believe you are getting that feeling that healthcare, pharma, realty, these are the stocks where you can possibly invest for next 7 to 10 days. Okay. So within this, what I can do, I can go again to indices. I'll go to Nifty 200. Okay. If I see Nifty 100, I can see only large cap companies. So in large cap and mid cap company, what I'll try to do, I'll search those stocks which belong to pharma, healthcare, okay, realty, infrastructure, and all. You can see Nifty 200. This is the percentage composition of Nifty 200 stock, where around 30.19 percentage is held by financial services. Then you have uh, oil, gas and fuel, financial services. Right now, I'm not interested. Healthcare, I'm very much interested. Power, I can be interested. Maybe if I have a positional trading horizon, okay, if I can buy NTPC, Coal India stocks. If I'm looking for next 3 month of trading horizon, Okay, otherwise for 1 month or 1 week trading horizon, I will try to hold them for longer purpose, not for weekly purpose. So metal again, if you want, you can buy metal. Metal is also giving decent return. So healthcare again, because of budget, metals will be get impacted positively. So healthcare is there, metal is there. Then FMCG, if you want, you can do for beta hedging purpose. Okay, then automobile again you can do. Okay, so reality is there. Okay, then so reality is there, construction material is there. Okay, and then pharma healthcare is there, which I'll try to target. Fine. So here I'll go to index constituent. So once I went to index constituent, so the portfolio stocks under this index would be get downloaded. Okay, I go to my download. I can see these stocks. Okay, so the symbol, serial number, other thing doesn't matter here. Let's delete it. Okay, so these are the stocks. Okay, let me just put border here. Alt HBA, Alt HBT. I just put border here. Then I'll put filter. Okay, let me just put filter, Alt DFF. Once I put the filter, what I can do, I can search for my required sectors for investment purpose. Which sectors we discuss? Construction material. Okay, then on the other sector, healthcare. Okay, what else? Healthcare, then realty. Okay, so these sectors for my next 1 week purpose of my investment, I'll focus on these sectors. Okay, so in these sectors, you have these companies. Okay, where you can see the companies. If I sort this data, all DS. Okay, short which industry A to Z. Yeah, so you can see this. You have LNT. LNT would be overpriced, but it's good stock. If you don't have money problem, what investment fund problem, you can definitely go for LNT. LNT will always give you good value. For long term purpose, also you can think about LNT. Okay, if I open trading view, okay, if I open trading view here, if I click on stock. Here LNT, Larsen Tubro. The recent Ayodhya temple also, there's very good contribution of LNT. So if you see LNT is trading around 5,300. If you want, you can do investment. It's very good stock. What is up to you? I don't know. I cannot suggest you because it's very expensive. So right now, for my portfolio, I'll try to avoid LNT because I cannot pay that much money. The Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, it would be government company, I believe so. Again, just go and just check it, Google it. Okay, so here Rail Vikas Nigam NSC, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, NSC and BSC. So for out of the two, you can click on any exchange, doesn't matter. But knowingly, unknowingly, we trade on NSC only. So better focus on NSC stocks only. So here it is trading around 301.95. So yeah, you can buy certain stock of this company. What you can do, the benchmark index of this is construction. Okay, the benchmark index of these are construction. Okay, is there any indices which works on construction? 1 minute. Financial services, realty is there. You have mid cap. Okay. So I think construction will come under realty sector only. Okay, fine. Nifty realty, if I go, if I just check the index of this, yeah. So you can see in reality you have these stocks, fine, but this company, what I'm looking for, Larsen to grow construction, this come under which indexes? It come under which indices? Or maybe Rail Vikas Nigam Limited construction is which here it's DLF, Lodha, Phoenix, Brigade, Swami, Shobha, Obrai, Prestige. These all are only coming in realty sector. You can blindly target these stocks. Okay, you can blindly target these stocks. Okay, I just give you an example. Maybe Brigade Enterprise Limited. If I search Brigade, if I search Brigade NSE, what is the price? 974 is very expensive. DLF, DLF. So I don't want, like, this is again 758. You can see if you want Godrej, I want around 500 maximum for one stock. I can pay 500. Otherwise, there's no point how much return I can get. Godrej Properties, 2000. Oh my God. Then you have Macro Tech. You have Macro Tech. You have Macro Tech Developer Limited, 1000. All are very expensive. Mahindra Lifespace Developer, NSC 556. So possibly I can buy these stocks as also it is falling. If I see in last certain days, actually it is falling from 18 January, it is falling only. So falling from last 2 3 days. If I see last 1 week, what is happening in this stock? Although the price is good, but it is falling. I don't want to be the part of that. So weekly also I can see falling. If I see month wise, that is growing from last 1 month. It has actually went up. Okay, but from last 1 week it is falling. So if you want, you can buy for the time being, or otherwise you want, you can avoid that. Obrai Realty. If I see Obrai Realty, so it is around 1300. Then Phoenix Mills. This is around again 2000. So all are very expensive. Prestige, 1200. All, I think in reality all are like that only. Shobha has lot of debt in the capital structure. All are in that range only. Possibly if you are looking to invest in realty sector, you have to think out stock. If you see this Shobha Limited is growing only. Last month, see the rally what it has created. So if I see last Hmm. Last 1 week. So last 1 week it has fallen. If I see day wise, it has fallen. Then it went up little bit. Then possibly uh, you can think about that. You can think about doing investment on this stock. Okay, so for that, better let me just track this. Maybe if you are a little bit interested, although it has fallen by 15 point. If you want, you can plot the graph of this with respect to this index. So Shobha, here you'll see this divide, CNX reality. If I did see this indices, press enter. So if you see this curve, this has actually went up, then fall down, went up, fall down, went up, fall down. So this is ratio analysis. If it's going up, if it's growing up, then that means that the stock is doing better than the index, but is actually falling down. Although that movement is little bit small in last 1 week. While if I see this in that was 1 day. Weekly also it is falling. Monthly, I think would be going up, but weekly and last 1 day also it is going down. So if you want, you can avoid this stock then. I really don't suggest you. Then that way it become a little bit risky. Then next company stock NSE 609 rupees. Okay, this is going up. Then this is weekly. Yeah. If I say day wise, day wise also is going up. So this is good stock, guys, for investment purpose. If I'm searching for these stocks only, last 1 month also going up awesome. So if I want, I can just for confirmation, I just plot this with respect to its indices. CNX reality. So CNX reality, if I pick, press enter. Yeah, if you see this curve also of this company with respect to the CNX reality, this is also going up. Color theme, I don't want dark. Yeah. So guys, I think this would be more clear to you. So if you see this company Swan Energy with respect to CNX reality, this curve month wise also going up. Okay, for week wise also it is going up. Okay, and day wise also if I see day wise also it is going. So this is very good stock. Okay, for investment purpose. If you want, please invest on this stock. And the price is also not very high. So first stock which I will choose for my portfolio is Swan Energy of 609.2. So the first stock which should be there in my portfolio, that should be Swan Energy Limited. I hope you got this. So like this, you have to do for all the sectors. Like realty sector was one sector. Okay, the other sector which I can see is if I go to here NSC website. Okay, here indices, then you know which other sector is pharma. Okay, you click on pharma. pharma, healthcare, any sector you can choose. Then constituent. So I got one stock of Swan Energy. So here you got different stocks. Okay. So try to target those stocks which are not very expensive. That's why looking into mid cap or small cap sector would be good. So far more healthcare related to small cap. Imagine maybe Nifty, which index? Nifty small cap, uh, small cap, micro cap would be too risky. 1 minute. Problem was that in pharma, I am getting too many stocks. So imagine, and that too many are very expensive. So what you can do, I think that L&T would come in capital good, consumer durable, then mid cap, mid small healthcare. If I see here, which stocks are coming here. If I see the portfolio of the stock here, so here I can see this. So these all are very good stock for investment purpose. Okay, the Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Lal Path Lab, or Eris Life Science Limited. Okay, you can choose any stock. You can choose any stocks. Eris Life Science Limited. Go to Trading View. Okay, so randomly I chosen one stock. Eris Life Science, NSC. Okay, this stock is around 889. It's expensive only. Okay, if I divide this with its indices, indices is what? Healthcare, right? So health, Nifty Healthcare. So you can see this is going up, this line. So you can choose this stock for your portfolio purpose. Aries Healthcare, the another stock. So the first stock I have chosen today for my investment purpose. What was the company name for the not fit cap? Swan Energy. The first company for my investment would be Swan Energy. Okay, the next company for my investment would be what? Would be Aris. Okay, Aris Healthcare. Aris Life Science. Aris Life Science. So like this, you will create portfolio. Okay, so one by one you will search for the stock. This homework you have to do 1 day before. Okay, you can just IPCA Laboratories Limited, IPCA Laboratory Limited, IPCA Laboratories. very expensive. So you try to search those stocks which price is around 500, 600 or below that. Buying these many expensive stock will not make much sense. Anyway, I'll just show you this. This is going up. Okay, imagine if you can buy this. Otherwise, you search those stocks with price little bit less. Now they belong to healthcare's indices. Just click on this divide sign, and then if I go to indices, then CNX here, healthcare, Nifty healthcare, FMG, finance, metal, pharma, commodities. I think here it will come under pharma. So just create the slope of this. If the slope is going up, then it's a good stock to buy. Again, IPCA Labs, IPCA Laboratories is a good stock. Clear, you're getting me right. So like this, you have to create your portfolio. If you can create a portfolio of 10 to 15 stocks, and accordingly if you put your corpus in them in certain percentages, if you have more understanding about next week, out of this healthcare, reality, pharma, construction, which sector can do better than others, so accordingly you can change your percentage composition of the stock. But more or less, you at the end of the day you'll get a defined number of stock which you will use next day, around 9:15, 9:20, when you can put an order in the system. You can put the order so that you'll definitely will get very good return within the week, and then you'll go out and exit from your investment strategy. That way it will make more sense to all of us. So, so guys, it's time to end this class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next class.